So if you are just coming to the crypto space, or you're actually new, or you have been in the TL, you must have known of Shiba Inu. Yeah, we came in, we watched down history, and we heard of the records, how it grew over time, something that people never paid attention to, and how it printed numbers down. And some of you, when coming in, you hear of those stories and you wish life could take you back so that you can have the opportunity and you can have that privilege of partaking in another token that might replicate figures in the nearest future. And today that brings me to Giant Token. There are few things that caught my attention with the project, and before I said this is not a financial advice, I don't know the founder, I've never met him, this is not a promotional video, it's just me trying to share my thoughts. So I noticed one striking thing in the token, and basically it has a supply of over 4 trillion and 400 trillion, and currently it has over 300 trillion in plus in circulation, and there are over 14,000 holders as of last that I checked, 14,000 plus holders, and it's doing well in volumes. And I think as of when I checked, as of this time of doing the video, the market cap is over 700,000. And striking things that caught my attention with Giant Token is that number one is that the founder doesn't believe in speculation, and that is one thing that I love about his personality. He doesn't believe in speculation. He believes in building. And that brings me to one of the striking things that catch my attention is the Giant wallet. Some of you are saying, okay, people have built wallet already. Why should he build wallet? Everybody has his vision where he has built wallet. Imagine the person who built Trust Wallet will say, you not build it because MetaMask was there. No. Every man has his vision. The lapses he has seen with every wallet. And even after Giant wallet, there will still be wallets. We build on weaknesses, and it's very sleek and it's very smooth to use, very fast. And this one project that is so unique. Number one, whenever you perform a transaction, 1% is being burned, 1.5% goes to charity. So whenever you are doing that transaction in the ecosystem, number one, the supply is being reduced. Number two, you are already touching lives. You're already helping somebody to have food, to make a living. You're automatically a philanthropist. You don't even have to donate money from your transaction. Can you see? They're already blessing lives by just performing transaction on chain. And then in the nearest future, I see it as a chain where people will see it as a means to touch life, because it is building around charity also, because it will make it so easy for you that the blockchain will not just be a space where people will help people, but it will have mechanism to monitor it, because sometimes when it comes to charity, money used to get missing, but with what Giant Token is building, it's going to ensure that there is safety in donating to people, where these donations can be tracked and they will be used properly, and you, the person giving the money, can know what your money is being used for, and you can track it on chain. And then the second thing that caught my attention with Giant Token is that the launch pad. This is futuristic. It's giving the Africans a platform to see that they're able to launch homegrown tokens and take it to the world. And in the near future, once they get more traction, they are going to fund projects. And then the staking aspect. In the near future, I believe they are already building that, where they have you are going to stake Giant Token on the wallet. And don't forget, Giant Token is the token that will power the Giant wallet. Just like Trust Wallet token is the token that powers Trust Wallet. Imagine Giant Token will power Giant wallet. And imagine when the staking features come to life, you are not just holding a token for a long time waiting for goods. As you hold it, it's giving you a reflection. It may be in Giant Token, maybe in USDT, maybe in other tokens. So are you seeing the future? You stake it and you earn reward. To me, the reason why for currently now, at the time of doing this video, I'm not a holder of the token, but in due course, I will also hold the token, because I am seeing a future. And I'm not saying this to make hype or to like maybe make the founder feel good, but I'm seeing the future that Giant Token will not just build, not just Giant Token will not just build, not just an ecosystem, but Giant Token is going to be a blockchain. I'm not a prophet and I'm not working on speculation, but with the antecedents that I'm seeing, with where the founder is going, you don't need an angel to tell you that this guy is trying to build a blockchain, not just a token, not just a wallet. This guy is heading to build a blockchain. Because from what I'm seeing and from all the effort the founder, is putting, I'm seeing a blockchain coming out. And I am seeing the CZ of Africa. Because he is somebody that is focused. If Jesus tarries, that is the future I'm seeing for Giant Token. And that is why I want to hold it now. It's not even up to $1 million market cap, but we are buying for the future. It may take long, but it will certainly give the reward back. Some people bought BNB and thought that they were wasting their time, but 8 years down the line, BNB has changed their life. Imagine what will happen to Giant Token. Utility is coming. Imagine the launchpad comes to life. Stakers will definitely benefit, because when the launchpad comes to life, any token that we launch, definitely you, the holders, or the top holders, will definitely have insider privileges and some other privileges. Imagine BNB holders today get airdrop left, right, center, get access to many things because they are holding certain numbers of BNB. So I'm always against tokens that speak about speculation. Just tell you come and buy, miracle will happen somewhere. I love people that build. I am a firm believer. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in his ways of helping people. But the truth is that he made it clear he will bless the work of our hands and he will reward our hard work. So you have to work for God to reward it. And he's actually building something which is really, really unique. So if you are not holding Giant Token, if you want to hold it, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. It has not even gotten exchange exposure. That is the part that gives me joy. It has not gotten exchange exposure. Because imagine if you get exchange exposure, that is more numbers coming. And I know they are not going to list on exchange now, but their app is currently on Play Store. Just type Giant Token, you're going to get it. iOS Store, as of their last space, they said they are planning on that. So they have not gotten even sufficient visibility. This is the time for you to get in early. If you have missed tokens like Shiba, you have missed Pepe, this is another opportunity given to you. I will summarize by saying this token is the future. Number one, I see him building a blockchain. This wallet is going to be crazy. The launch part is going to be massive. And if you hold the token and when the staking starts, I believe there will be much more reward for stakers. So don't be on the sideline waiting. The truth is that if you don't invest the money, you will still spend it. The money will still blow. So look for somewhere according to your risks and make investments. Remember, this is not a promotional video. I don't know the founder. This is me just sharing my view about Giant Token. Thank you.